As a product manager, it's very important that your product is in the growth phase and it keeps growing. And that's where you want your product to be, which is why you should probably implement growth strategies. Growth strategies are basically techniques and tactics that a business or as a product manager you can use to increase your revenue, your customer base, your market share, just to ensure that your product keeps growing. Those are strategies that you put in place. So these strategies are usually tied to a particular product for a company or a set of products that a business particularly offers. Now, there are several techniques and several strategies that you can use to grow your business, to grow your product, basically. The first one is to increase product awareness. And you can do that through more marketing, targeted marketing campaigns. You target your user base and you can get more users. So targeted marketing campaigns help you to grow your product. You can also expand your product features and functionality so that you can attract new customers. That is where you basically create new features, you create new offerings and add them to your product so that more people, your customer base can grow. You can attract new customers and even retain the ones that you have before. You can also offer incentives, discounts, and promotions to encourage users to refer friends and family to use your product. Kind of like where someone said that, oh, if you refer somebody, you're going to get 300 naira on every referral that you get. So that's incentives. You're incentivizing your user base to bring in more people to use your product. You can also give them discount, like maybe like a sales campaign or like say something like Jumia, for example, where they're giving discount and promotions or Black Friday, those kind of things. It allows more users to come on board and allows them to like bring someone else on board to be able to use that particular product. Another thing you can do is to expand your product distribution channels. Imagine if what you were doing before, you were only on Google Play Store. If you put it on Apple Play Store, like you build a mobile app and it's only Android users that could use it. If you expand that offering and allow Apple users or iOS users to be able to use that, you've expanded your distribution channel. You now have it on App Store, you also now have it on Play Store. That way you can reach more people will be able to use your product. Another thing is you have to identify new and target new customer segments, meaning that try and aside from people that you decided that, oh, these are the kind of people I'm targeting, are there other people that you could target to actually grow your product? That's another thing you could do. Another thing is you continually conduct surveys, gather feedback, get more areas for improvement, and keep improving your product. It allows your product to grow significantly. Another thing you could do is build a relationship with influencers and leaders in that particular space that your product is sitting in. So once you do that, those people would be willing to market your product such that they will bring more users on board. They bring more. They would basically allow people to know more about your product at that particular point in time. That basically ties to new users and that basically ties to growth. You can also leverage the data that we've spoken about, all those analytics that we've gotten. You can leverage it to now target your market campaigns, your product development, and basically your overall business strategy. So this allows your product to grow significantly. I've mentioned several strategies for you to grow your product. Eventually, when you build your product and your product is out there, I do hope that you get to implement all of these strategies to keep your product growing.